guys, so it's Sunday and we are heading to
Maketu.
Yeah, so there's a beach called New Dicks Beach. It's a place with a lot of dicks, I guess. There's a lot of rocks there though. I saw it on Google, and we're heading there from Te Puke right now. And we are at Maketu right now. It's so cool. This place is just full of sea because we're like, I think we're along the sea right now. But this is not the New Dicks Beach yet.
You can really catch some cockroaches.
Really? Catch her. And Mary Lou wants to catch all these cockles and PP. Oh shit.
And all these are fresh water. Abalone.
No, that's not abalone.
It's just oysters, right?
Yeah, probably not oysters. So we drove to New Dicks Beach, and apparently it's private property, and we have to pay to enter. No idea why, but if you drive your car in, it's like $5 for a camper van like ours. Oh no, it's $8. $5 for car, $5 for trucks. Walkers are free. So maybe this is somewhere you can come. And we're gonna hit right in right now. So we gave up. We gave up because walkers are free. And you gotta walk damn far, like over a little ridge or a little hill. It's too far. But we saw some friends. Moo moo. Alright, probably gonna hit somewhere else. The initial plan was go to Pukehina, but Pukehina? Yeah. And then I was like, hey, let's stop by Maketu to check it out. It's a pretty small town. Lots of beaches. Hi doggy. Lady cutting grass. Oh, thank you. Alright, so we're just gonna head back to the car and probably gonna hit a pukehina or something. Unless she wants to get some abalone. They have abalone here that we can pick from the sea directly. Pretty cool. Okay, so we decided to go in and we're gonna pay like $5. It's cute, right? Have that little penguin there. It's like $5 for that. Hi. So we decided to go in. Walking was not an option.
It's too far.
Oh, could I get mussels in there?
No,
It's just a beach?
it's high tide, so
Ah, okay.
Oh, okay.
yeah, so you won't be missing
Oh,
at the
damn.
moment. No, you get 3 past 3.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright, thanks then.
Thank you.
So no mussels for us. That's kind of sad. But let's go in and see what's there then. This is Nudix Beach. We just took some shots at Nudix Beach. I love the name, Nudix. And there are so many people surfing. But the sad thing is that some issues with my drone. Gotta go and get some compressed air to wash out the gimbal. Keep saying motor overload, no idea why. We'll try and fix it, but I managed to get it up in the sky for just a little while. Hopefully you get some nice footage from that. And we're going to Pukehina. And we're at Pukehina right now. And this is like the, is it called the Brighton House? The Brighton House in Australia. Now they have one here in New Zealand as well. Never been to Australia, so don't really know. And the funny thing is that just now when we're at Maketu, it's just down there. But we had to take like a 20-minute drive to come all the way here because we cannot drive on the beach. So basically that's it. And let's see if we can get some nice shots here. Pukehina was quite a disappointment. We just saw the Brighton House. The Brighton House.
Inspired Brighton House.
Yeah. Made in New Zealand. Alright, so we still have a lot of time. It's Sunday and we only work tomorrow, so I'm gonna check out where else we can go. And then we'll update again. So we decided not to go anywhere because I'm too tired to drive. The sun is blazing hot, like blazing hot. And probably you cannot see it because there's a filter on the camera, but look at that. It just drains the energy out of me. I'm so tired right now. So if you guys are the first time watching the channel, do hit the subscribe button down below. And if you do like what we do and the stupid things that Mary Lou do as well, click on the like button. And we'll see you next time.